What's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Hey, folks, guess what? I have a cool website, and all you have to do is register, and I'm going to show you how to make money over and over again on this website. And the great thing about it, you don't need any money, okay? You don't need any experience here. You don't need any cameras. You don't need a social media following. And it works for newbies. It works for people who don't have a job right now. Look, first site is socialtradia.com, okay? Socialtradia.com. Everybody go here. So basically, on Social Tradia, people go here to basically sell Instagram accounts. Now, listen, you're not going to sell any Instagram accounts. I promise you. You don't have to do anything as it relates to basically spending any money selling Instagram accounts here. Okay, but see all these people here, this guy here, you can buy their Instagram account for $160, $120, right? And listen, you don't have to do nothing as it relates to buying any accounts, but this website here is very important. So please write that down. You have to go to socialtradia.com. Now listen, this is what we're going to do. This is where it gets very cool. And if you keep watching, I'm going to give you a secret that allows you to put this on autopilot. It's going to blow your mind. Check it out. Look. So this guy right here, he has almost 4,000 followers, right? But what if this guy can sell that for more? Let me give you an example of how much money that you can make here. So say if, let's go back here. Say if he had 20,000 followers, then he'll be able to sell it for $320, right? Look here, $300. He'll be able to sell it for more money here. Look, let's go to 50 to 100,000 follower account here. Look at that, $1,000. So basically, that guy, let's go back to the first screen here. We need to help him. This is what you're going to do. Basically, get more followers, okay? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. He's going to pay you. I'm going to show you how to get people like this every single day to pay you to get more followers. So now they can sell their accounts for more money. Does that make sense? If you're with me, comment below. Let's go! Hey, smash the like button if you like when I do that. Okay? But look, so I'm going to show you a trick here. It's really powerful. It's a website that many people are not aware of. Internet marketers like myself, we know because I make a bunch of money. And I'm going to show you a website. Just don't share it with other people. Use it for yourself because you'll make a ton of money online. Check it out. You want to go to what is called viralrace.com. Viralrace.com, where you can basically buy real instant followers, okay? These are real engaging followers. Please do not share this website. This is one of my personal websites that a lot of people use, that I'm a part of this secret group, that I asked them, could I do this video here? But please keep it to yourself. So basically, let me show you how it works. And no, you don't have to spend any money. You're not going to spend a dime. Does that make sense? I'm going to show you a backdoor trick on what you're going to do to help these people here using the site. So let me give you an example. Okay. Say if you reach out to this guy and say, hey man, I see that you're doing some great things here. And what if I can give you more followers so you can sell it for more money? So what you're going to do is when you sign up for those accounts right here at socialtradia.com, you're going to reach out to these people, right? And basically when you reach out to them, you're going to tell them, say, hey, I can help you get more real engaging followers, right? Now, I know what you guys thinking. You may be thinking, well, why would they believe me? I'm going to show you how they will believe you 100% without a doubt. Just watch to the end. Okay, it's going to be magical here. So what you're going to do is this. Say if this person says, okay, cool, man. How many followers can you give me? Say, hey, I can give you 10,000 followers for $180. Okay? $180. So basically, it's like drop services. You're going to buy it for you're going to buy it for $80, but he's going to pay you $180, which that's a profit of what, $100. Make sense? You spend 80, you're going to make $100. And listen, you don't spend the money until he pays you. Make sense? Listen, This is the simplest way to make money with this service. You don't need followers. You don't need to be smart. You don't need almost nothing. You just need drive. Listen, the disclaimer is this. You will not be rich and you will not become a multimillionaire doing this. This is some extra cash. I know people every single day, this is what they do. They sign up to sites like this and they reach out to all these people to get them 5,000 to 10,000 more followers, right? And then they talk to these people. And when the people or the person says, hey, cool, yeah, give me more followers, man. Can you help me out? Absolutely. Then once they do that, what they do is once they pay them the money, it can be 5,000 followers, 2,500. Say if that person wants 2,500 followers, right? So what happens is you're going to charge that person $60. They're going to pay you. They will. Because people don't know about sites like this, right? People don't know that you can buy followers, real followers, not fake followers. These are real, instant, engaging followers here, okay? It's a website I've never shared, so please smash the like button because I'm giving you so much value and I'm giving you a website that, well, internet marketers, they would never share, but I pride myself on giving people everything what they need to start making money online. I want you out of the ghetto. I want you to leave your mama's house, and I want you to live in a better neighborhoods and have nice, beautiful cars, right? Your hoopty needs to go to the junkyard. Let's go. So look, what you do is you just help people here on this website to get more followers. You basically charge double. They don't know that you're charging double, right? I mean, think about it. Like McDonald's. Do you think those burgers really cost $1? You know the 2-for-1 specials at McDonald's? I mean, think about it. They're probably spending 10 cents for those nasty ass burgers, right? But you're paying $1 for it. So listen, what you're going to do is you're going to conversate with these people here, okay? You're going to reach out and say, hey man, I can show you how to get more followers here, all right? And you charge them double what you see here. Now, I know what the question is. Wesley, no one's going to believe me. Why would somebody believe a young man, a young woman like me can actually give them followers? They're not going to give me any money. And I knew you was going to ask that question. I knew it because I can read your mind. Like I can see you. I can smell you right now, right? So look, listen here. Let me show you something here. This is the website that you need to go to 100% get these people to believe that you can send them followers here. Look, go to popray.com, okay? Popray.com. Popray.com, basically, if you click the button buy now, it is $0. Look at that. That's likes. Look at this. Let me show you something. Click on followers here. So what you do is say, hey man, I know you might not believe me. I know that you don't know me, but how about I just send you 10 followers for free? You click buy now, like this. You put in their Instagram account. And if you don't believe me, try it for yourself. Like if you want some free followers, listen, it's so many tricks online that people like myself and other people do that you're just not aware of. But now you are aware of it now. So show me some love, baby. Hit that like button, baby. Let's go. Okay, look. Look. You put the Instagram account right here. You put the email right here. Boom. And then the follower's going to go there immediately, okay? Are you with me? Is everybody with me? Then after you do that, the person here are going to say, oh my God, bro, you just sent me these free followers. I'm like, yeah, I did that for you, bro. Then guess what? Now they're going to buy your bigger service, which is here at viralrace.com. Now, how many of you can do that? How many of you love this right now? How many of you believe that I deserve a like because like I just gave you some information for free on how to make hundreds of dollars even every day? Listen, you can sit in your bedroom, okay? Lay down butt naked, okay? And do this all day long instead of working for 8 hours at the job here. These people, they don't know about these other sites. They have no clue. So what you do is you say, hey, instead of selling it for $120, you can sell it for $200. Let me give you some more followers. But first, let me go to popray.com, give you some free followers to let you know I know how to do this. Then after that, they're going to spend $100, $200, $300 with you. Does that make sense? Somebody said they already did it. Hey guys, if this was gold, I want you to say, Wesley, I love you so much, and you are the man.com. Listen, how many of you can do this? I like to help people. I like to mentor people. This is what I want to do for 10 people and 10 people only that want a jump start. Because I know some of you may say, well, Wesley, I get it. I love you, but I'm not technical and I don't want to make a mistake. So this is for people that's not too technical, that even though I explained this very, very simply here, and even though you want to say, Wesley, I like you, I'm going to smash the like button and sub to your channel. Listen, this is what I'm going to do for 10 people, okay, right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 10 accounts, categories here, okay? I'm going to give you 10 that I know that work. I'm going to give you 10 categories or 10 Instagram pages that I know if you reach out to them, they will start a conversation with you. 1. Does that make sense? Then, listen, then I'm going to send you a script to reach out to these people, okay? Now listen, I'm going to give you 5 to 10 scripts that I know works, okay? That you can do right now. When you reach out to these people, they're going to respond. Does that make sense? Okay? I'm going to do that for you for 10 people. I do it 10 people per month. And guess what? I'm only going to charge, and all you have to invest is $99. Now I know what you're thinking. That's insane, right? You're like, Wesley, come on now. $99? Who wants it? 10 people who want to work with me and my developer right now so you can start making money right now fast using this method here. I'm going to give you a jump start. Listen, I can't guarantee that you're going to make a ton of money. I can't guarantee that you're going to fly a Bora Bora butt naked on the beach, okay? But I will guarantee you this, that I will help you. We will get you started. We will give you scripts, and we will basically choose the Instagram accounts that you need to reach out to right now. All you need to do is email me right here. 10 people only. First 10 people, they email do it for me at wesleyvirgin.com. Subject line, listen, must be viral race, do it for me. I'm going to, and you're ready to invest $99, not $9,000, $99. I'm going to get to work, okay, for you. If you want it now, here it is. Listen, this is a very simple way to start making money, okay? You got to believe that you can do this, okay? This is the first step of making any type of money online, is to have the right mindset, okay? For things to change in your life, you must change how you think. If this is something that you want right now, go for it. If it's not, don't go for it now. Don't do it. It's okay. Like I do suggest everybody to try it for yourself. Like just try it, you know? Reach out to these people. It's a free account. It's worldwide. Everybody can do this, right? And just reach out to these people. Like give them some value. Give them a few followers, right? And then I'm telling you, you can sell one a day. If you sell one a day at the $79 price point and charge $180, that's $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month. Does that make sense? Who would spend $99 today to make $3,000 a month? Imagine investing $99, emailing your boy Wesley Virgin. I'm here to help you, right? I'm here to give you a jump start so you can start making money faster. And then that money turns to $3,000. How many of you can do that? Okay. Just say, Wesley, I can do this. This is so simple. I do this. People that I know do this because it's easy. It's like some extra money. You know, I do this sometime when I want to buy an extra bracelet, a cardio bracelet. You see these bracelets here? They're $10,000. If I want to make some extra money, I'll do this. Listen, imagine yourself taking action right now. Okay, investing $99 and within 30 to 60 days earning $3,000. What would you do with $3,000? Some of you might say, I'll leave my job, right? Number one, right? And then you'll realize that making money online is easier than what you thought before. Hey, I love you guys so much. Hey, like I said before, you can email me right here. If you're number 11, I mean, you're too late. I'm only taking the first 10 per month. I take 10 people per month who are willing to take action, who's willing to work directly with me and my developer to get things done ASAP. If you're not that person, please don't reach out to me. If you're here to waste my time, please don't email out to me as well. Hey, this is your year. I don't know why you're watching this video. I don't know why you're here. Maybe you just like because I say, let's go! I'm not sure why you like me, but listen, I want to give everybody who want it now an opportunity to succeed quicker and faster than ever before. Hey, once again, thank you for subbing to the channel. I'm always creating new videos. I try to entertain you because, you know, some videos can get boring, but I love you. I appreciate you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. Yeah.